Now ready. So we are given almost 3 hours. So what you will do here actually, so we close the terminal first to configure the file gateway and NFS file share and attach to the Linux instance. Okay, and then migrate set of data from Linux instance to S3 buckets. Then we create the configure primary S3 and migrate to on-premise. That means we need to see this architecture. Linux instance will be here, right? Then we create the primary bucket and secondary bucket in different region. So the first region here, consider our on-premise infrastructure. We simulate as on-premise, but actually still in the AWS. But the secondary or primary bucket here in secondary region, and the third region consider cross region for our cross region replication. So we replicate in the first bucket, primary bucket, and then cross region replication will be in the second bucket here. So this is when you review the lab architecture, you can see EC2 Linux instance already there. Oops, maybe it's not yet configured. Okay, maybe we need to refresh the lab. Log out but first, so that okay, when we log out, then you will create and use the latest authentication credential. Okay, this is the latest lab that I provision. So close terminal. So to start this lab, you need to allow pop-up. Okay, allow pop-up first. If you not allow your pop-up, so you will have difficulty in creation the instant later. How to do that? If let's say you have pop-up here, just allow it. Okay, allow pop-up. Do not change region unless specifically instructed to do. Okay, just review your existing one. For example, EC2, the instant. Which type of instant already provisioned or available? We can check first. By default, we are currently in North Virginia as our simulation of the on-premise infrastructure. Because later we will create storage, two storage, primary and secondary storage from another region. Okay. By default, we have on-prem Linux server here. You can check your on-prem Linux server. This is public address for your on-prem, already provisioned for you. You can check also their security, what actually have accessed using port 22. Okay, now we your task actually to create primary and secondary S3 bucket, which primary in East 2 Ohio, and then the secondary bucket for West 2. This is for Oregon. Okay, we will do it because data from our on-premise will replicate in primary bucket and replicate again for cross-region replication in US West 2. Okay, now we are moving to S3. So S3 service, we know already, we already create one instance. They created for us actually, we did not create by ourselves. The lab already provision for you. But now we're moving to S3 service. We'll create two buckets. First, as a primary. Second, the secondary lah, in different region. Primary. This one should be Ohio. Right. Just enable versioning, correct? No other option. Just create bucket. Just enable the versioning. Create another one. One in different right. Also allow versioning. Enable the versioning. Once here, no need. Just to create two in storage, object storage instance. So currently we see primary and secondary are there in different region, east 2 and west 2. Is it correct? This one east 2, this one west 2. Secondary in west 2. Is it correct? Yes. So you're right. Now we are moving to enable the cross-region replication. We need to select the first bucket and create replication rule. Primary, this one. Primary 1. Management. Is it correct? Management under replication rule. Okay. Replication rule. This one lifecycle rule, but we want replication rule here. Create replication rule. Only for this create replication rule, you will be given a visit and give this name TRR create replication rule full bucket, for the full bucket, not for the specific file, but for full bucket level status enable. Okay. Source of bucket, choose rule scope, apply to all object in the bucket. Rule scope here, okay. Apply to all object, not the object level, but the bucket level. And then for destination, choose a bucket in this account, and then browse S3 and select the bucket you created in the secondary region, third region. Choose path. Okay, click here in this account. So secondary, choose path. So we'll test later how can the secondary bucket get the copy from the primary, replicate from data replication from the primary. Okay, next IAM role, we use this one, the TRR role, create replication rule, pre-created if required permission. So don't worry about permission, they already pre-created for us. Still CRR. Okay. Save. Others just let it there. No, because we don't have existing file. Save. No, no object available. Now submit. No object, no problem. So return to and select the link to the bucket you created in Ohio. Destination bucket, the secondary lah. Right. This primary Ohio. So we go back to the bucket primary. You can see the file upload. Right. Add file and upload. I choose my own lah. Spider.jpg. So this primary. By default, we only upload into primary, but we can check that the secondary storage will be updated as well, will be uploaded to that particular secondary. That's why they call it replicate. Anything that we upload to or update into the first storage, primary storage, they will be replicate into the secondary storage. Okay, close. See here in primary, spider.jpg is there. Then you see also the this secondary got the same file already replicated. Okay, now done. So this is the next task which most of you has issue, right? Maybe I create new video for this task.